আমি আবেগে একটা কথা বলি মামা, যে মাই হোম ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ইজ বিগ মেন্টাল হসপিটাল অফ মাই কান্ট্রি, বাট আই এম এ গ্রেট মেন্টাল অফ মাই কান্ট্রি. I think everybody is very emotional and very sentimental. I am his professional body power and blood control bike driver. 14 years of this proper is my life. Total city just my breakfast plate, mama. But my income is very down, mama. My name is Alamgir Hossain Kobir. My father name is Sohrab Hossain Rustum. My home thana is Ishordi. My home village is Ilshabari, mama. Every day, every time, this proper gathering is very important, mama. But every passenger is my one-time salary 20%, 30% and 40% discount. Very sad. He is genuine and brilliant and very talented and sincere and legal and real estate man. Everybody is 20 and 40%, 25-40% discount every passenger. But why? Bangladesh is we are homeland, but we are don't person of Bangladesh now.